Yo, what's up guys? Back at it again with another banger. Gonna be dropping a lot of game for you guys today. This is a website we built like in the beginning of April, and we finished building it around the middle of April. So this is Google Search Console right here. You can see that we literally didn't even transfer it over to Google Search Console until April 29th. We're on the 3 months over here, and today is June 20th. So you can see that we literally transferred over this site on April 29th. So this is proof that this is a brand new site, and I'm going to be going over how we generated this. We got this site and we literally generated a lead this, I think, the same day. Yeah, April 29th, the same day we put it into Google Search Console, we generated the first lead. So 2 weeks after the site being up, we already started getting leads. And I'm just going to be going over some basic steps, some basic stuff that you can do, and show you how you can replicate the same thing, do it for your site, whether you have a construction business or something maybe a little lower ticket like a plumber, house cleaner, anything. This works for pretty much all websites. It's just basic SEO stuff, and yeah, let's get into it. Before we do that, I'm just going to put it out there. If you want me to review your site personally on a call with you, click my calendar below, schedule a meeting with me. I'll give you a free audit of your website and tell you how we can improve your rankings. Anyways, let's get on with the video. So I want to start off by saying that they did get a little lucky because their company name it has Orlando pools in it. So that's definitely a huge benefit. But literally all we did was 300 citations from Fiverr. We spent like $40, no, $35 on the citations, $12 on the domain, and we closed one of the leads that this site got. That's all we did. We generated about 10 leads up until then, just with that. What is that? 12 plus 35, 12 plus 30, $47 investment. That's a $47 investment, and we closed the lead for 50K for a pool. What is that ROI? I don't know. Someone do that math. But that's crazy ROI. That's $47 to make 50K in revenue. Like, you don't see that anywhere. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys exactly which citations I got. So Fiverr, and we bought this package right here 6 times plus the little fee. That's literally all we did. Throw them into the indexer. I don't know if you guys are familiar with indexing softwares, but if you get citations or any sort of backlinks, really, I always run it through a Google indexer. I use a Telegram bot to index my stuff. You guys can use any other service out there. I don't really have any recommendations. I've been using the Telegram one for forever, but that's literally it. We just started ranking for some pretty good queries over here, as you can see. Let's put on the position. I don't know exactly how Google's Search Console like works with ranking queries because of SEMrush and Ahrefs says completely different things. Like they would never say I'm number one for all of these, but Google Search Console saying I am. So here we are. I'm ranking pretty well to say the least. Not driving too many clicks, but who cares? A win is a win. We're generating about, I'd say, like 3 leads a week on this site. We spent another $50 on some other stuff that I'll go over in another video. Or no, actually, we spent a total of $100 more after these citations and the domain. But yeah, it's pretty much it, guys. Just some quick game. Citations is really all you need for the beginning, for your foundation. And yeah, it's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Once again, if you want me to review your site, schedule it with me. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, subscribe, comment, do all that good stuff. Helps me push out my video more. And thank you for watching.